When I was young, I used to come to the forest very often. I always felt like that it calmed me and made me feel so good to be like breathing the forest air. And now that I'm older, I haven't been to the forest quite that much, but I'm trying to do it more. And every time I come here, I remember why I was here when I was younger. Like, it's immediately the same kind of good feel that I get. So basically, I went through almost the entire forest that we have looking for these. And right next to my parents' summer house, there's one right here. So yeah, lesson of the day. Sometimes things are closer than you expected. So I read online that it's good to dry them so they don't get mold so easily. So currently I am trying to dry it in the sun and probably will cut it like to smaller pieces, if not like powder, and can use it for tea. Here's some smaller bits that I have in the bowl. I'm also drying some garlic in the sun. Outside to film material for one of my future videos, and it's raining and it's so lovely because it's been so dry and hot for the past, I don't know, 2 months. So I'm just embracing the rain. It feels so good. I don't even care that my clothes get wet. The first carrot from my garden.
Paljonko tässä on? Sateen näyttää olevan koko. Ihanaa, että noit pääskyset pitää. Ne jotenkin ihan...
Ne tekee sen siis silleen jotenkin, että ne ottaa sen lenkin ensin niin kuin tähän. Ja sitten kiepauttaa sellainen yli ja sitten laskee sen tavallaan pois tai jotenkin.
Joo.
Tuntuu vähän ylimääräiseltä työltä.
Kun mä oon ajatellut, että tarvitsisi ottaa käsityö mukaan, mennä heidän kanssa istumaan siihen. Varmaan olisi ihan justiis.
My master mom. She's like really fast and good. She's actually making a sweater for me. How long you been making it?
About 3 or 4 years.
Maybe this autumn I will actually get it. Like
Yes,
get to wear it.
It's ready this Christmas.
Yeah. Is that a promise?
Yes.
You all heard her. Mitä?
Sä et voi kuvata, kun katsoo jo
Mä laitasin musiikkia päälle. I think it's a good way to end this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this little countryside day that I had. Bye!